and welcome to another City Update. I'm Deborah Cedillo-Dugan. ASU Law School is moving downtown. The $129 million project, six-story building, will be unveiled in fall 2016. Here to talk about this project is Jeremy Lake. Jeremy, it's great seeing you.
Good morning, Deborah.
Jeremy's with the Economic Development Office. How long have you been with the city?
I've been with the City of Phoenix for about 10 years, mostly in the Community and Economic Development Department.
So you've seen a lot of projects being built downtown, and you've probably been involved in a lot of projects.
We've seen a lot of projects downtown since the beginning of the city's investment in the ASU campus, all the development at the Phoenix Biomedical campus. We've seen a lot of activity in downtown Phoenix over the past 10 years.
And how involved have you been in the biomedical campus and U of A and those other projects as well?
I have responsibility for a number of the city's partnerships with our higher education partners, such as Arizona State University, as well as the other state universities, U of A and NAU, and a number of other private developers that are helping transform downtown Phoenix.
Okay, now we are here to talk about the Sandra Day O'Connor College of Law that is being built right behind us. We're actually standing right in the heart of downtown at the Sheraton at one of their nice little balconies here, so we can get a good view, and Matt's going to pull over here to look at the construction right behind us. So this actually kicked off in July, so where we were obviously at the very beginning of the project. Tell me about the project.
Sure, so what you see before you is the Arizona Center for Law and Society. This did start construction last month, and it'll be a six-story building with 2 stories of below-grade parking. It will be opening in the fall of 2016. It's going to house the Sandra Day O'Connor College of Law, as well as a couple of think tanks. The Lincoln Center for Applied Ethics and the McCain Institute for International Leadership will be at this location, as well as the ASU Alumni Law Group, which will be a nonprofit law firm serving the public. And there'll be other amenities such as a bookstore and a cafe in the facility as well. And they'll do a really nice job with the streetscape improvements around the site as well.
Well, speaking of streetscape, how green is this building? And I think you have something to share with us about the trees that were once here.
So there are a couple of things. Even before we started construction, we were thinking about some of the sustainable aspects of the project. There were a number of trees on this property when it was a surface parking lot, and we were able to relocate over 40 of those shade trees to other parts of downtown so they continue growing and thriving and providing shade, which of course we all know is very important here in Phoenix. So from day one we're able to start with that, and then moving forward ASU is committed to a LEED certification. In fact, they're going to achieve LEED Gold status on this building, which just really emphasizes the importance of sustainability for the project and the university.
Absolutely, and for the city overall. So let's talk about funding, because you did talk about the partnership that we have with ASU, and the citizens were involved in passing a bond, correct?
Absolutely. The Arizona Center for Law and Society is just one of a string of successes associated with the City of Phoenix and Arizona State University. Back in 2006, the voters overwhelmingly approved funding for higher education in their downtown, and since then there's been a huge number of successes. In addition to what the voters approved, there's been hundreds of millions of dollars of private investment in and immediately adjacent to the campus that wouldn't have been possible if it weren't for the leadership of the mayor and council and the will of the voters. And then on top of those hundreds of millions of dollars, we have another $129 million that's creating jobs, creating higher education opportunities, and creating other public amenities, again, and all while revitalizing our urban core.
And you know, we just talked about before the interview too about the construction workers. I mean, they're working in the very, very hot days of summer right now. And I said, well, there doesn't seem that many people out here, but they're just in the beginning stages of excavating, I guess, the
Absolutely. They're basically digging a large hole for that underground parking garage right now. But as they start erecting steel, pouring concrete, and then having different trades in the building, electrical, plumbing, then you'll start to see literally hundreds of people on the job site making this project happen over the next 2 years.
So what is it like actually overseeing a project of this magnitude? I mean, we're talking, you know, almost $130 million.
Well, the good news is that the city's been successful in working with a variety of partners. This is an excellent project that ASU is delivering for us here, but we have another of other things going on just across the street at the Phoenix Biomedical campus. U of A just announced that they're going to be developing a $136 million 10-story biomedical research facility. The University of Arizona Cancer Center is under construction right now. We'll be opening next fall in partnership with Dignity Health. So a lot of activities going on downtown, and we're very excited to be a part of it.
It is an exciting time to be in downtown Phoenix too, because you've seen the evolution of the downtown and the growth. It's just amazing. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us. Is there anything else you want to add that maybe I missed?
No, I appreciate your time, Deborah. Again, the city's had tremendous success in partnering with our university partners and in revitalizing the downtown core, and really appreciate your time.
And thank you so much. I also want to mention too, Jeremy also mentioned to me before the interview that there's a webcam. So if you want to see the progress of the building going up, check out this website. For City Update, I'm Deborah Cedillo Dugan.